What are you looking at, Raven? Come over here, look. Look at the snakes.
No. Look, TJ, look at the big turtle. That big shell is a turtle.
I was just looking right at it.
Dang, I want to get this. Well, why not? $30 for two. Or I think one.
They're nice.
They're like little lizards. The habitat is a desert. Mostly active is at night. Maximum size 10 feet.
Yeah, that's nice.
I want to get one of these guys. But mainly I want TJ, yeah. Oh my god. Daddy, give me a tarantula.
There's one in there. A tarantula. Ooh.
That's so cool.
I don't know. It's a spider.
Yeah, that's a tarantula.
Right here. Want to see it?
So cool.
That's on the wall. See it?
Take it, tarantula, TJ. Crazy kid.
Like a gift.
You see, I want to record that. The tarantula. Where's that?
It's like way at the corner.
Freaked out.
So cool.
Can't really see it. There you go. Damn.
It's ugly. Look. Oh no.
Come with me. Come with me.
Let's check again.
Yeah. What are you looking at, kid? Huh? What are you looking at?
They're so cute.
Yeah, they're nice.
They're only $25.
Oh shit, I took out the boat. Oh, look, it flew. Look at this sucker right here. Come on, Creegee. Hurry up, look, everybody's all the way over there. Ouch! Oh! That's what you get for, that's what you get for being. No, it's slippery here, baby. You're gonna fall.
They're so tight.
Yeah. That's them?
Yeah. These three.
Okay, I was looking at. Oh, he moved them?
Yeah.
So that's really what you wanted? Should we look at another one and try and go somewhere else?
Where?
We should
What's
call
the other one called?
Petland in Edinburgh. We should call them and ask them. They have painted ones.
So this Clark's.
Mommy, they have babies.
Yeah. Yeah, probably one in Edinburgh, and we'll just find out.
I don't know why we bring the kids. Look at Nemo.
There you go.
Nemo. Clownfish. Nemo.
You like it?
Clownfish.
This is Black Nemo.
Be racist. Say Nemo.
Man, this looks cool.
It's a clownfish también, no?
Oh, man, we can check out this one.
Hey, that one's in Finding Dory. I mean, Finding Nemo también.
And in Finding Dory.
Alright, you guys. The hermit crabs that we're looking for, they had some little small ugly mother suckers. So we had to come to Edinburgh to Petco. We're at PetSmart trying to find the better ones. So hopefully we find them here, y'all. So check it out. We got some turtles over here.
Hi, turtle.
So cute. They smell up your mouth.
Yeah, they're terrible. Come on, Raven. What are you looking at, TJ? Yeah. Look at that chameleon, TJ. You saw it? Like the birds. What is it with you and birds? Raven. Raven, come over here. Yeah, man, there's a huge line, man.
Where?
That's big. Huge, yo. Like at least 15 people in line.
Look at these. There's some that are painted, but they're just painted like basic, like with fish on them.
Look, down, down.
These small ones are cheaper. They're like $4.99.
Can I get a flower? Wait, no, that's fine.
TJ, look at the price on that, bro.
$70.
No. Look at the blue frogs.
Look at the snake, TJ.
Where?
Right here.
How much is it? What kind of snake is that? It's a blood type.
$500, dude.
For real.
And look at they got little crickets in there.
Oh, look at the spider, Raven.
Tarantula again.
Look at there's a cricket in there.
Mm.
Watch it, eat it. Oh my god. Oh no. No.
Well, I think if they better just get this. If they have that in there, just get that.
You want to put the water in there to top it? Alright guys, right now I saw a bunch of lightning. I know it's dark right now. I feel like it normally wouldn't be this dark, but it says that big thunderstorm is coming tonight, so it's pretty dark out here. Oh, you could hear the bats. I put the flash on really quick. Where's Raven? Hi Mama, you okay? Guys, Raven doesn't like the flash at all, but I'm gonna try to get it on camera really quick. Look who just came outside. Baby, you saw the lightning or not?
Yeah.
I think somebody farted, but I'm gonna try to get the lightning. Might take a little bit of time.
And Mike getting a bunch of sticks to make a fire.
Like real quick, Raven's been collecting sticks to make a fire, right, Mama?
I started behind you.
Ah, you made me miss it. Okay, guys, this might take some time. Oh my gosh, come on! I feel like it'll happen any second. Oh, there you go. You saw the sky light up a little bit, but not too much. Been a minute. Oh, you saw that? Perfect. I'm gonna try to get like one more. There's like little lightnings everywhere, right? Yeah. Let me see. Look, there he is. Ooh. I was looking at the weather radar. They're showing like a storm coming. And oh, look at that. Dope. That was so cool. Oh, it was small, but it's a little something. Maybe in like in 10 minutes, 15, 20. Come on, let's go take.
And I saw y'all too.
Come on, Rebecca.
And I saw y'all too.
Get inside. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see. Can't really see, but oh man, it's amazing. Look at the water right here. Told you a storm was coming. Let me see. I want to try to get lightning. It is crazy. Holy moly, let me clean this thing. We're all out here trying to smoke a cigarette. It should have shown on the radar where it was like 7 minutes ago. But yeah. Big thunderstorm. I saw it coming. Oh, look at TJ. TJ, it's a storm, TJ. It's a storm.
I don't care. I'm not. Like 5 minutes.
Let's pull on the car. Free car wash. TJ loves it. TJ loves it. Raven doesn't.
I like the sound.
Okay, one more. Alright, let's go inside.
Okay.